In this week's CCJ Tech Shorts, a new service integration from Decisiv and Mitchell, Phillips races the industry's first universal backup camera system into the market, and Hub International launches Fleet Solutions digital marketplace. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm Jason Cannon, Chief Editor for CCJ, filling in temporarily for Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Service relationship management company Decisiv and Mitchell, a provider of repair information solutions, have launched the new Decisiv SRM Connector for Mitchell, an integrated solution that streamlines labor time estimates for thousands of fleet service operations daily. The feature enables shops using the Decisiv SRM service event management application to connect with Mitchell TruckLabor Module. Decisiv President and CEO Dick Hyatt says the new feature enables users to dynamically deliver and incorporate labor time estimates in real time at the point of service through one platform, thereby improving efficiency and reducing downtime. Mitchell Director of Commercial Vehicle Group Christy Kaufman added the new integration will save hours of time each month for service advisors and technicians, since they no longer have to reference multiple systems to capture labor time for specific vehicles, while also improving accuracy of the service data. Phillips Industries now has a universal backup camera system, an industry first. Now available for pre-order, the rear view backup camera is designed to ensure that any driver can connect with any trailer equipped with the device. This universal compatibility is complemented by a robust and stable proprietary Wi-Fi connection that extends over 70 feet. The camera has a 170-degree wide view angle, clear visibility of the bumpers and doors, over 50 feet of visibility behind the trailer, and ultra-low latency of less than 0.25 seconds for real-time viewing. Rear view integrates with any ELD navigation system, and updates to the system are pushed through over-the-air firmware updates, ensuring the system updates automatically without the need for complicated manual upgrades. RearView includes a free, dedicated mobile app for both iOS and Android devices that simplifies the setup process. Drivers simply download the app, select the trailer they're pulling, and start viewing. Hub International, a global insurance brokerage and financial services firm, has launched Hub Fleet Solutions Marketplace, a digital platform that provides access to products and services from vendors across several fleet solution categories, including fleet management, insurance, maintenance and diagnostics, and technology. The Hub Fleet Solutions Marketplace also includes technology solutions from Hub Drive Online, Hub's proprietary technology platform. Hub Drive Online integrates operations, data, legal, risk management programs, and service providers into a single platform, making it easier for clients to manage their transportation operations. By becoming a Hub Drive Online client, companies can leverage the data from products purchased in the Hub Fleet Solutions Marketplace to improve risk management and lower their insurance rates. Hub Fleet Solutions Marketplace enables users to search via keyword, browse by category, get customized recommendations by fleet size and industry, or book a free consultation with prospective vendors. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.